Hello everyone, welcome to Meat Eater to Vegan. Today we are going to be making quinoa. And this is my breakfast version of quinoa. If you have not heard of quinoa, it is a grain just like rice, but unlike rice, it's twice as much as protein. It's packed with fiber. It's actually a complete protein. If you eat a lot of noodles, oatmeal, rice, and since becoming vegan you have gained a lot of unwanted weight or you feel sluggish and fatigued, I would definitely switch those things out for quinoa. So to a pot, I just added in some plain old water and I rinsed off my quinoa. The reason you want to rinse it off is because sometimes it can be coated in a powdery substance, and if you don't rinse it, that residue can actually get into the water. So rinsing it eliminates that issue. So I'm going to add it to the water. Quinoa does not taste like anything. It has no taste. Whatever you put into your water or whatever you boil it in, that's what it is going to taste like. So for this, since this is a breakfast version, I'm going to be adding in about 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon because as it cooks, it's going to absorb all the cinnamon that I put into the water. So how you know quinoa is finished? It's going to be nice and fluffy, just like how a brown rice will be. So therefore, it's going to absorb all the liquid in the pot. Last 2 minutes, I usually add in some plant-based milk. I prefer oat milk, but today I have rice milk, so we're going to use rice milk. I just add that in with a sweetener of my choice, whether it be maple syrup, which I'm using today, or agave, or sugar, brown sugar, whatever you like, your sweetener of choice. So give that plant-based milk a quick mix through and then add in your sweetener of choice. Like I said, I'm using maple syrup, so I'm just going to add a little bit to this, but you can add a lot. It's your kitchen, your world. You do whatever you like. And I gave that a mix through and then let it warm through for, like I said, about 2 minutes, and then voila. I just cut up some strawberries and sprinkled a little cinnamon on the top, and it came out perfect. This is a great substitute or alternative to oatmeal, and it's a great breakfast that's packed with lots of nutrition to get your morning started. So I gave it a little taste just to make sure everything came out perfect. You can always adjust your sweetener or your seasonings to make it your own and to make it what you like. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Also comment below if you've ever had quinoa before, or is this something new, if you like it or if you don't like it. I would like to hear that in the comment section below. Thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you later. Bye.